Welcome to Degenerate EDC. EDC done so degenerate. Today, we've got an unboxing to do. And I'm not that excited about it, but it doesn't mean it's not going to be a good one. I'm just not that excited about it. Special guest appearance, Kaiser Hiccup. So here we go. Recently ordered this, saw it on the Amazon. I'm a fan of the Amazon. Discounts, deals, you name it, they have it. Like this Kaiser Hiccup. Boom. Here we go. Okay. Kaiser Hiccup can go back. And here it is. Yeah. So this plot. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Caressolove is in his house. All right. And I saw this on the Amazon and I figured, why not? Why not? Box is empty. All right. Now, these appear to be additional blades. We're going to look at that in a moment. Here we have, wow, it is small. Huh. Look how small this thing is. Does have a pocket clip. It feels, I don't know if this is titanium or alloy, but it's super light. Super light. And it does have a button action. Let's see. Ooh. I had no clue. It was like this. You're supposed to connect the blade to it. All right, so let's open this up. Let's check out the blades and connect one of these blades onto, which looks like a stubby. No, it looks like a stubby. All right, so here we go. All right. These are the blades. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Comes with 10 blades. So we're gonna use one blade. We're gonna put the rest back in this packaging. Fancy paper. Not so much. I had to really rip. I had to put a little finger strength on the rip in order to get this open. Packaging, I give it an A+. It's some good packaging. All right, so now the blade. Each blade packaged individually in what appeared to be of a really thin paper. So rather than trying to peel it, I'm gonna just gently, and mind you, be extra careful messing with this utility blade, okay? Because you can get cut if you mishandle it, FYI. Me, I'm gonna just poke away from this paper. I'm assuming that's how you do it. Take out my blade, and we're gonna, now, I kind of see, and I kind of don't. Should I read the instructions? Probably. There it is. Okay. All right. Took me a minute, but I kind of saw the gist of it on how it fits the blade in. I highly recommend using gloves to do so. It took me a little bit longer. I was being extra careful to connect the blade. And there you have it. Is a retractable blade. Call it box cutter. Call it whatever you want. Perfect for everyday carry. Perfect for EDC. Absolutely degenerate for a box cutter. Very, very tight. Feels, this is tight. Button action is pretty solid. The minute you push it in, retractable blade comes right out. I'm surprised this is even legal, but ladies and gentlemen, keep in mind, knives are for utility. For precision cuts, I wouldn't recommend putting your finger up top. I'm just doing that. Full grip. Ideally for cardboard boxes. I wouldn't pry with this at all because those scalpel blades are very, very thin, designed more for precision rather than for strength. I thought it was a pretty interesting little tool, and the way that it works, even more interesting. Boom! Absolutely degenerate. You know what I mean? I paid around 17 bucks for this. Very, very simple. They have different colors. This one's the green. They do have it in black. And I forgot what the other color was. But they definitely do have it in black. If the green doesn't suit you, it suits me just fine. This is all you need. If you're doing minor cutting, warehouse type work, a lot of box cutting, this seems like it would be perfect for the situation. Perfect for most situations. There you have it. Very satisfying. You can do that all day. I don't recommend doing it in public though. But while you're working, getting things done, you can, in between the time, in between a line, in between some signs. Right. Anyways, there you have it. The Caressolove adjustable scalpel box cutter / whatever you want to call it. Keep in mind, knife for utility. There you have it. Boom. If you're into this little degenerate blade, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. That way you can get your hands on the same exact Caressolove adjustable box cutter knife. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Join the Degenerate EDC tribe. Thanks for tuning in to this degeneracy. I've got tons more degenerate videos. Click the link on the lower left. YouTube thinks you might like it.